keep smelling some real musky smell. Every now and then I just get a scent of it. Now, I've always heard people say that when they've encountered Bigfoots. I'm not saying I'm going to encounter a Bigfoot, but I keep smelling something and it's weird. It's like I'll smell it. I smelled it probably about a half a mile up, and I come down a quarter mile and smell it, and I just smelled it again. Weird. It's a very strong musky smell. Since the smallmouth really aren't biting too much here, and there are some red eye, I may try to use my fly rod. I got a good area here where Nash and red are over there in the shade. Oh, I just lost him. I just lost him. Gotta be careful on him. Not yet. I lost him. He was pretty. All right, there he is. Nice one. That's the first one I landed, so. All right, there's number two. I've caught three, but that's the only second one I've actually had in my hand, so pretty fish. What's in it? I ain't gonna do it that way a second time. There's number three. They're not monsters. Let me see. What is he? 13 and a half. Pretty fish though. Yeah. Watch out, bub. These are the soft plastics I'm using. It's just, I'm trying to remember the guy's name. I bought several products from him. I really like his product. He's very quick on shipping, and he's always nice. He always throws in some additional hooks or a new product, small something, just to show appreciation. It's really awesome. I like his stuff. Texas rig, bluegill. I've got my weight about 20 inches above the hook right now. I'm just kind of veering it. Seems like today the secret sauce is toss it out there, just let it drift to the bottom. They'll come out as soon as they come out to inspect, just twitch it just a tad, and they're generally just at that point just engulfing it. So let's keep it up. Got a red eye. Come here, bud. You're the first red eye today. Hang on, let me get you off the tilt-a-whirl. Alrighty. Want to see him next time? First little red eye today. Little fat belly, I think that's a female. Let me get her back. Go ahead, you babies. Hey, boy. Good boy right there. All right, I'm ready to get out of here. I can't hang it sitting there in the sun. All right, let's pack it up. Let's move. Let's go get your water bowl. Go get your water bowl. You left your water bowl over there.